Say hi, Kevin.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table, and today we are bringing you something that was one of our more recent projects, and we made a photo gallery, or like a gallery wall, for my parents, and that was their Christmas present and they really loved it, so we wanted to share with you guys the entire process of it. You want to start off with step one?
Yeah. Step one is planning and the layout. So the first thing we did was sit down and figure out a design and a layout of how we wanted to do the photo gallery. The area that we were using in my parents' home was along the stairs of their home. They have a huge wall going up. So we decided this would be the perfect spot because everybody can see it when they walk into the home as well, and they can share it with their friends and families. And so we decided to use this area, but we needed to figure out a layout to make sure that it was kind of sloping up along with the stairs. So after we measured the space of the wall that we wanted to use, then we blueprinted and rough drafted on Procreate to figure out what kind of size frames we wanted to use. And then we kind of scattered and created a design that we thought looked really, really nice.
Okay. So everyone, we are planning, and this is kind of difficult to do. So we are rough drafting everything and nothing is to scale. We're trying our best. We're getting these picture frames from IKEA, so I guess I don't really have to talk because we'll do a voiceover. So just to add a little bit to what Grace was saying with the layouts, there's various different ways that you guys can do the photo gallery. Like you can do a super organized where it's just like pictures in each row and in each column and have it very strategic. We wanted to go with the scattered yet organized look. Step two is figuring out which photos exactly that you guys would want to use on the photo wall. This step is very, very important. You need to kind of somewhat visualize it in your mind before you actually put it up, because it just takes too much time to keep going up and down because you don't like the position of a picture. So in this step, you gotta figure out exactly how many photos you guys want and in which size frame that each of the photos are going to go into. You also have to take color into consideration because you don't want to have all the super bright colors on one side of the wall and then all the maybe more black and white photos are on one side of the wall. So you gotta kind of figure that part out as well. Our family actually purposefully went on a fall photo shoot that Kevin took for us just because we thought that it would look really good on the photo wall. So we wanted to go with a more vibrant but soft kind of look. We were thinking, should we do black and white? But we thought maybe black and white might bring down the mood a little bit too much. So we went with more of a color but pastel-ish kind of tone. You also, in this step, need to figure out which photo is going to go into the 4x6 or the 8x10 or the 24x36. And you also have to figure out, is it portrait orientation versus landscape? So like you need to figure all of that out in here. So this is a very critical step.
Step three is rough drafting. So in step three, we decided to rough draft the whole project, and we did this by cutting out to scale of craft paper of all the different frame sizes we were going to be using for the wall. And then we went ahead to my parents' place and we actually just used paint tape and they put it up on the wall to see how it overall looked.
A very long and hard process without a ladder. And step four is the final step, and it's to actually do your final product and put it up. This was fairly easy to do because we had a huge ladder and Grace had the step stool ladder thing that you can put on the step so that the ladder can fit perfectly flat and balanced, not just on stairs where you can easily fall over or something like that. And we actually had the help of a laser level projector, and I don't know if it's exactly called this, it's, you know, somewhat near it, but it's a laser that helps you pinpoint what is straight. So you could go up there with a level, but we thought that might be more difficult, and Kevin recently bought this at Home Depot for $30. It was on sale. So we used this to make sure that the nails would go on straight, that the photos would be straight and level. Yeah, we used this, which was very, very helpful because we have very high ceilings there. So it would be kind of hard for you to go all the way up to the top.
Kevin, you want to show me your little gadget? That was like a video recording thing.
This tripod and measuring thing are coming in clutch.
I didn't think we would need it. Kevin just wanted it. I was like, do you need it? And he's like, well, I don't need it. And I was like, why are we buying it?
All your Christmas ornaments, okay?
As for the nails, we just used one of those nails that you can just hammer in that are kind of thin, not the ones where you need to drill it into the wall. So we got these various sizes. So we have some pictures that are very, very big. So for that, we would have to use 2 or 3 of the bigger nails. And then for the tiny ones, like the 4x6s or the 8x10s, we used the smaller nails that didn't have to hold so much weight on it. And this is the final product.
In conclusion, this was a Christmas gift to our parents. Really, really liked it. I think they said that this was like the best Christmas present that they've ever received. It was really fun to do. Angie did a really good job executing it.
This was just how we went about doing it. It was our first times doing it, and we thought like we could probably run into some trouble, which we did, but the final product was amazing. So we wanted to share this experience with you guys in hopes that it will help you guys out, ideas in the future for your homes. And let us know if you guys have any questions or comments about this project, and we'll see you guys on our next video.